Awesome. Okay. Up next, we have Dharma. And then after that, we're going to have Keep Key and New Cipher. So if you guys can move over there. And we have Nadav from Dharma.
All right, that is a very tough show to follow. Well, hey guys, my name is Nadav Hollander. I'm the founder of Dharma Protocol. Dharma is a generic open source protocol for administering and issuing debt agreements as cryptographic tokens that are as tradable as ETH or Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you can think of. But what I wanted to talk about, and I only have about 2 minutes, so I got to move really fast, is why do we care about this and why are we trying to solve this problem? So, in 2017, ICOs blew up as this massive phenomenon, and it, the sort of thought leadership mantra was that this was eating away at traditional means of raising funding through selling equity. But if you actually look at the size of financial markets today, global equities are much, much smaller than the size of debt markets in general. And if you look at the way that a lot of debt markets are operated today, they're super characterized by having an infinite array of intermediaries that take some sort of fee or toll in order to pay, play some sort of administrative role. And so we think that this is a problem that is very well suited for something like Ethereum, which is kind of like a laser tool at taking intermediaries out of arrangements in which they were previously necessary. So we're really excited to announce that actually as of today, we are live on the Kovan testnet. And as of a few hours ago, we've actually just pushed out our developer libraries. We're going to be giving out $3,000 in prizes for the best lending application built on top of our brand new libraries at ETHDenver. And so we're super excited to see what you guys come up with. We also have a bunch of ideas ourselves. So if you want to come by our booth and maybe just jam a little bit and talk about some ideas, we'd love to meet you guys. We'd love to tell you a bit more about what we're working on. And also, we will literally lend you some money if you come to our booth. And you can consider it a bit of a forgivable loan, so to speak. So looking forward to meet all you guys. Thank you so much.